how you can set up an iPhone 7 Plus, which is what I've got, with the OBS software to use as a webcam. So, because I was looking at, you can get some software, it's like $25 or something US, and I sort of thought, I should be able to do this for free. So, I've got my iPhone set up behind the monitor here, and what I'll do is I'll show you how to do it. So, you basically getting your little sources here, down here, and you click Add, and you add a video capture device, and I'll call it iPhone 7 Plus. Just put camera, iPhone 7 Plus camera. Alright, a little dialog box pops up here, and then you just hit the device. Make sure that your iPhone is, so you hook it in through your USB, your lightning cable, into like a USB 3 port in your computer. I'm using a Mac, I'm not too sure if it'll work with a Windows, but it definitely works with a Mac. So that's my JP iPhone 7 Plus, that's my device. And there we go, and as you can see it pops up here. Sometimes you'll get a lag, but if you get a lag, just once it's all set up, just restart OBS and it should come good. Alright, so there we go. So now I've got this annoying parts here around the edges. So what we'll do is we'll fix that. So what you do is you click on the so here I've got my Logitech camera here, so you click on the iPhone 7, right click and go transform and edit transform. So now we can get rid of these bits here. It's not looking too good there, but it will sort itself out. Sometimes it just takes a while. So I've worked out it's around about 350 I crop from the right hand side. I might crop another 50 off the left. I want to get rid of the top bit here as well, so I'll do 100. And I'm pretty sure if I restart OBS, it's not going to work. It's going to stuff up my screen recording. I'm screen recording in QuickTime. So that's basically it. That's how you do it. And so it's just, let's see if we can get this working. Oh, no, there we go. Oh, what's it doing? Oh, is that better? Still getting a lag there. That's right, they'll sort itself out once you've restart OBS. Just fiddle around with it a bit, it should come good. It could be that I'm recording, it could be stuffing it up, but so there we go. So that's how you so you can see the quality there. I was getting annoyed with my Logitech, this one here, because it was giving really bad colour, and as you can see here, whoops, I'm just frustrated that it's not working so well, but rest assured it does work pretty good, and it does work really well, and you can see the colours a lot better. So yeah, once I restart OBS, I'm not going to do it now because it will probably stuff up. So but rest assured it does actually work quite well. I'll do another video and show you it working. Alright, so there we go. So click subscribe and like if you like this video. If I've come across some good tips along the way, I'll do some more videos. But that looks pretty freaky having two of me there. Especially when one's out of sync and it's not capturing it too well. But it does capture really well. Once I restart the OBS, it'll come good. Alright, so I might do a quick video next video and show you. So there we go, guys. See you next time.